Hello and welcome again to another exciting episode of Beyond Borders with Beaton. We are so glad to have you here. Whether you're dreaming of studying abroad or you're a parent supporting that dream, this space is made just for you. At Beaton Educational Services, we guide you every step of the way, from choosing the right country and course, to applications, to visas, to travel, and even settling in. This series is all about cutting through the confusion, calming your nerves, and helping you confidently navigate your study abroad journey. We believe in your dreams, and more importantly, we believe you deserve the right support to make it happen. So sit back, take notes, and feel free to ask questions or engage in the chat. There's so much value coming your way today. Let's take this journey beyond borders together. We will be discussing the step-by-step guide to studying in New Zealand. Whether you're just getting started or already exploring your options, this video will give you a clear roadmap to make your journey smooth. Why New Zealand? Well, aside from being one of the most peaceful and scenic countries in the world, New Zealand offers world-class education, safe and welcoming environment, and a strong post-study work opportunity. Students can work part-time while they study, access affordable tuition, and even stay back up to 3 years upon graduation. That's a great win. New Zealand universities are globally recognized, and trust me, it's a place where academic growth meets adventure and innovation. Let's break down the entire journey into 8 simple steps. Step 1. Research programs and schools. Start by identifying your course of interest, be it nursing, IT, business, or even culinary arts. New Zealand has universities, polytechnics, and even private institutions, each with their own unique strengths. Need help choosing? That's where we come in. Step 2. Entry requirements and qualifications. Good news. If you have WAEC or NECO, you're already on path. Many schools in New Zealand accept O-level results. And here is the bonus. IELTS is optional, especially when your previous education was in English. Step 3. Tuition fees and financial planning. Depending on the course or school, tuition fee ranges from 22,000 New Zealand dollars to 35,000 New Zealand dollars per year. Living expenses, 15,000 New Zealand dollars per year. We'll guide you on payment plans, budgeting, and how to identify partial scholarship opportunities. Step 4. Apply to schools. After you have chosen your school, we'll help you gather your documents, submit your applications, and keep track of your deadlines. Pro tip: apply early to secure a spot and make time for visa prep. Visa application process. After receiving your offer of place, you need to prepare for student visa. That includes submitting proof of funds, academic documents, medical exams, and other key documentations. Our visa team here at Beaton will guide you through every step of the way to ensure success. Step 6. Accommodation and travel planning. Accommodation options include on-campus housing, homestays, or rentals. We can help you secure safe accommodation before you land, help you with flight bookings and airport pickups and transfers if needed. Step 7. Post-arrival tips and settling in. Get ready for a smooth transition. We'll guide you on opening a bank account, getting a tax ID, getting a SIM card, and joining the student community to help you feel right at home. Step 8. Post-study work visa and career paths. After graduation, you may qualify for a 1 to 3 years post-study work visa, giving you the chance to apply for international work experience or apply for permanent residency. Avoid last-minute applications. Don't underestimate the power of document preparation. Ask questions. And remember, many Nigerian students have successfully made the move. You can too. Whether it's choosing the right course, submitting a strong visa application, or getting settled in New Zealand, we are with you every step of the way. At Beaton Educational Services, we have helped hundreds of students navigate these very paths, and we are ready to support you at every stage of your journey. So if you are serious about studying in New Zealand, send us a DM. You have questions? Drop them in the chat. We'll be answering all of them. Let's take this journey beyond borders together.